My boy, listen to me carefully. If you want to be taken seriously in this world, you need to speak with precision. You need to articulate your words like a true boss. There are infinite benefits in having a silver tongue, one that can talk your way into the things you want. YouTubers like FarFromWeak and Andrew Tate use their linguistic abilities to gain massive followings. They know the power of speaking with clarity and passion. You can learn this too if you implement what I teach you in this video. Let me share with you some secrets to speaking with precision. We're going to use this time to focus on just the voice and not body language. Body language conveys 70% of your communication, so stay around until the end of the video, and I'll tell you exactly what to do to gain dominance without saying anything. First and foremost, it all starts with your breathing. Effective breathing can help you speak more clearly and confidently. You need to take deep breaths before speaking, and use your diaphragm to support your voice. Place your hand on your stomach and breathe deeply, allowing your stomach to expand as you inhale and contract as you exhale. This will help you regulate your breath and give you the power and control to project. Practice this breathing technique every day, and soon it will become second nature. You need to control your breath like you control your mind. This will give your voice a powerful resonance that commands respect and attention. It will also help you sound less nasally and hurried, which immediately makes you look weak. Next, speaking too quickly can make it difficult for others to understand you. You need to slow down and use a deeper tone when you speak. Speaking too quickly can make you seem nervous. Slow down your pace and take pauses to gather your thoughts and emphasize important points. It's okay to take a bit of time before you answer someone. Take 30 seconds. Let there be silence. Many people will out themselves and show you their true intention in this silence. This will create a much easier decision-making process for you. When you slow down, you convey confidence and authority. It also gives your audience time to absorb and process what you're saying. Use a deeper tone of voice to convey strength. Someone like FarFromWeak or myself who understands this will use AI voices to create a soothing voice to listen to. This will capture the attention of the people you are speaking to and make them more inclined to listen to what you have to say. You need to control the conversation pace and make sure you are using the correct tone of voice. You need to speak deliberately, like every word matters. This will make you appear confident and in control. My boy, when you speak, pay attention to your pronunciation. Be specific about the words you emphasize. You need to pay attention to how you pronounce each word and practice saying them out loud. You need to work on your vocabulary and the way you form your consonants and vowels. This will make your words clear and easy to understand. Emphasize important words to highlight their significance and give them weight. This will add depth and nuance to your speech, making it more compelling and engaging. When you're watching TV or YouTube and you hear someone speaking with an accent you like, mimic them. Take out your voice notes on your phone and record yourself doing this until you get close. It will help you kill your accent and learn the nuances of the differences in words, which can hugely change the meaning of a sentence based on how they are emphasized. It's also important to watch the inflection of your voice at the end of sentences. Speaking in a manner where you end sentences in an upward inflection can make you seem weak, while ending the same sentences in a downward inflection can give you authority. Speak only on matters that you understand, so you're able to speak confidently and with authority without questioning yourself. But don't stop there, my son. You also need to expand your vocabulary and you need to expand your specialized knowledge. The more words you know, the better you'll be able to express yourself. Most industries have specialized language you must learn in order to gain trust. These specific words have taken meaning in that network, and knowing when to use them in a sentence can be the difference between trust and skepticism. Make an effort to learn new words and phrases and use them in your daily conversations. Reading books and articles can help expand your vocabulary, as can playing word games, but be careful not to use words just to show off your knowledge. Use them in a way that is natural and relevant to the topic at hand. A well-chosen sentence can convey complex ideas and emotions in a way that simple language cannot. Make an effort to learn new technology or other interests in your field, which you can then use to align yourself as an authority. This will make you sound sophisticated and intelligent, so people will take you seriously. You need to start listening to yourself. Record yourself speaking and listen to the playback. Pay attention to areas where you may be slurring or mumbling your words, and work on improving those areas. Work on your accent by copying those you wish to speak like. This will help you identify your weaknesses and turn them into strengths. Once you identify these within yourself, you can make an effort to improve in the areas that need it. Ask friends or family members to give you honest feedback and be open to constructive criticism. With practice and patience, you can transform your speech and become an articulate and confident communicator. Now click this video on YouTube to learn more about how to add body language to your newfound linguistic power to gain more dominance, and don't forget to subscribe for daily motivational content.